Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to share mobile screen on laptop in Windows 11. So first, you just need to open your settings, click on Start menu, and click on Settings. Now here on Settings, go to System, and then here scroll down, and you just have to choose right here the Projecting to this PC option. So click on this option, and here as you can see, you just need to add the wireless display optional features to project to this PC. So to do that, you just need to click on these optional features, and here you will go on this page. And now you just need to click on this view features, and here you just need to search for the wireless display. So type right here, and you just need to check this box and click on next and click install button. And once you've done here, you just need to wait until this feature is downloaded and installed in your computer. And here as you can see, it's already installed. Now I just need to reopen our settings. So again, open up your settings, go to System, again, and go to Projecting to this PC. So click on this one. And here you just need to customize the settings. For example, here on Always Off Recommended, we can change it to Available Everywhere right here, the second option. Now at the bottom, ask to project to this PC, so we're gonna change it to first time only. And here on Require PIN for pairing, just need to click on Never. And once you've done customizing these settings, go to the top of the screen and click on the Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. So click on this and you will find this screen. So as you can see, this laptop is ready for you to connect wirelessly. So you can open now your mobile phone, and you just need to connect with the same Wi-Fi connection. So here as you can see on your screen, now all you need to do is swipe down and just open up your or enable your Wi-Fi and connect on the same Wi-Fi connection. And then here swipe left, and you just need to tap on this cast to find this laptop. So basically tap on agree button right here at the bottom right, and basically as you can see, permissions required. So just need to allow all the permissions to be able to use this casting on your PC. So just need to tap on the location or files and media, allow access, same on the location here, allow all the time, microphone, allow only while using the app, nearby devices, click on allow, phone, just need to tap on allow. Now once you've done here, just need to go back and we will try again to connect your mobile phone to PC. So again, tap on this cast and turn on and find the device nearby as you can see, and you just need to tap on that laptop. And here finally, we have shared our mobile screen on your laptop in Windows 11. And that's it. That's how you basically share a mobile screen on laptop in Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.